Good morning, guys. This is going to be a quick little video on how I make my DIY Starbucks coffee. So first things first, I always like to use my Starbucks blonde roast unsweetened coffee, and I get this from Walmart. It's about, don't quote me, I think it's about $4.97. It may be a little more, a little less. What I do, I just measure out 8 ounces of that, and I always use this cup as like my measuring guide because I use it enough with everything that I typically do in a day. So I know that's my 8 ounces of coffee. Pour it into my cup that I'm going to be using. Okay. Next thing I like to do is to add in my heavy whipping cream, and I like to use this plant-based creamer here, and this is by Coffee Mate. It's Natural Bliss plant-based half and half creamer. It's almond milk and coconut cream, and it's unsweetened as well. So I like to use this. You know what? I normally don't measure it, but since I'm recording, I'll do it the right way for you guys. So a serving of this is 1 tablespoon. There we go. Then I'm going to take my heavy whipping cream, and a serving of this is 1 tablespoon as well. I like a lot of cream in my coffee. I cannot drink my coffee without a lot of cream, so I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of the heavy whipping cream. I can't have it no other way. It's impossible. I forgot to pull out my Splenda, so I like to use the Splenda Naturals sweetness stevia. I love this stuff. It doesn't give off like that medicine taste that some stevias taste like, so I love it. And my serving size of this would be 1/2 teaspoon. I normally like to use a whole teaspoon, but I don't want to make it that sweet today, so we're going to do a 1/2, okay? Next, we're going to take the Pepperoni syrup, and a serving of this is, 2 tablespoons. Let me go get me another measuring cup. So I really didn't fill the spoon up with the syrup, so I would just say there was like 1.5 tablespoons of syrup I just used. Next, we're just going to mix this up with my milk frother. And my favorite part is my sugar-free whipped cream, heavy whipped cream. I don't measure that part. I'm sorry. I like to have too much fun with it, but this is the end result, if you guys can see that, of my Starbucks. Well, it's not even ice. I didn't put ice in it, so I would just say this is my Starbucks cold coffee because I don't need ice. I already had this in the refrigerator all night, so it's good and cold. Oh yeah. So that's it, you guys. I like to make this quick iced coffee using not that many ingredients, just the coffee, have whipped cream, 1/2 and 1/2, dairy-free 1/2 and 1/2, and Pepperoni syrup, and a little bit of stevia sweetener, and I'm good to go. Hey love bugs, welcome back. Yes, it's another cooking video. So I was basically already in the process of fixing me something to eat. This is serving as basically my breakfast / lunch, and it is keto friendly. So I was like, you know what? Why not go ahead and just cut the camera on, share this quick little meal with you guys. and we're just gonna hop right on into it. So I already have my skillet heated up. Like I said, I was already in the process of cooking this. So I'm gonna add my butter. This will be serving as my fats for today. So I'll be using the Kerrygold Pure Irish butter, right? But on the days where I just really want to cut back on my sodium intake, I do like to use the unsalted version. As you can see, I tend to use this one way more than I use this one. But today, I'm using this one. I could use a little sodium. So this is how they look in their original packaging without being cut. So I like to always keep both on hand. So now I'm just going to cut off 1 tablespoon of butter. So I already cut 1 piece of butter, which is 1 tablespoon. Three eggs. So before my eggs cook all the way through, I'm going to add some seasoning blend, which is just celery, red and green peppers, and onions, okay? I don't measure this out. I just put however much I feel like I want that day. And now I'm just going to add some turkey pepperoni. I got these from Aldi. They are so good. I'm just going to break those up. Then I'm going to add my cheese. And this is just some Aldi shredded cheese. And to add a little bit more flavor to this, I like to season my eggs with onion powder, garlic salt, and parsley flakes. This one not open, so I have to go grab another one. Parsley. And as you can see, I'm very generous when it comes to my parsley. I love parsley. So now my eggs are all done. And there you have it. Pepperoni eggs. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick recipe. And until next time, you guys already know. Love you. Love you, love bugs. Choke you down just like a